Hello everyone. We have added several commands to the model editor. During the last month, I'm going to cover them in this video, trying to keep it as short as possible. The big one is the auto align command. So cleaning up this whole model now should take less than 3 minutes to be safe, probably less than 2 minutes. And then I'm going to share show you another model to cover all the commands. So this building you all know. Before you had to go, draw alignment lines, right? Like 1, 1, 1 and align them. But what if you had a command called auto align that basically automatically does that? I mean, the number here is the minimum distance or maximum distance that you want things to move. And it takes some iteration to figure it out. I'll show that later. But for now, I know 0, 7 works for this. So I'll just run this and you'll see that all these gaps, everything, all of those are aligned. So there is one issue here. For this one, I select this and that, and then I use pull to room command and run. So this is done. Then we have missing rooms. For missing rooms, now you can select everything. The new fill holes command has a change. Now the threshold is useful to decide if you want the room to be merged, be an extension to the room next to it, or if you want a new room. So I can say whatever is smaller than 40, right, square feet, keep it. So it should keep this one, but it shouldn't keep uh, those ones down here. So you can see these are now extended. Here is the new room. And that's it. Model is fixed. I mean, of course, I knew what's the right number. So how do you know what number is the right number? We added a new feature called color by, so you can color by different properties. The important one here is floor area change. So the idea is, for example, now you see like the maximum area change is 31 square feet in one of the rooms, and the way to find it is we also added the information here, so you can go and sort color by. You can also now move stuff around, so you can see them. So now you can see this cafeteria is the one that's changed a lot. We are adding a way for you to see what was the original one. Right now, the only way to see the original one is Control Z and go. I mean, this value is small enough, of course. And by the time you watch this video, we might also have the percentage area change. So the way is basically you want to start from a large number, and then if the area changes a lot, then you make the value smaller and smaller. So let me do a quick Control Z and then show you what does that mean for this. Z, Control Z, go all the way to the start. So I could have started with the value of 1 feet, but you'll see if I do 1 feet, so it cleans it up, but then I have a room that's around 5.8 square meter of area change. So that to me was not really that felt too much. And then if I do Control Z, you will see why that happens. Because the room moves in two directions at the same time, like I can of course do the manual fix and all those, but to me a better way is then like to select another number. I did half a feet and then I said like that's too much cleanup left. 0.7 was the right number. So this is one model and I think it took less than 2 minutes to clean up. This is another model. So this introduces a different type of model that you get. You look at it, you think it's fine. If you do find gaps, let's do a tenth of a feet, you'll see that there are many small things going on like that you didn't know. So from now on, for all these models, you have a healthy magical command called auto align. So, and we added this exclude angle, so it's not going to affect the ones that if they will be aligned, they will move more than this 5 degrees. So just run this, and this is fixed. So if I run the same command again, you'll see there are no gaps. So now this model is one of those that has a lot of these small rooms all over the place that you need to go and merge. Now we have a new command called merge a small room. So you can say whatever is smaller than 50 square feet, for example. Merge it, merges everything. If you want to know how do I know the area, if you have that kind of question, one of the options that you have here, actually, you can also color by floor area. And then you can see the value for the area here under color by. But now let me turn this off. Go back. So the other thing, there is a gap here. Now you know how to fix this, right? Like from the start. So you just select all the rooms around it. You use the place room command or fill holes with rooms. And then you say whatever is the small thing, this area should be merged automatically. So this will be merged. Now there is one issue here with this curve. You can see even there is an intersection. So there were these kind of curves you had to move every segment small, like one by one. That was hard. One of the feature requests was you wanted to draw basically the curve and then align to it. So now we added this here, the polyline command. So what I can do, I can come here, um, put it here. I mean, it's just basically your judgment of where is the right place to put the line. You put them, press enter, and now you can select this. Select all the rooms around it, do alignment, 2 is good, and make sure snap vertices is okay, and then you can see this is basically aligned to my curve. Now, if you don't like the curve that I drew, it's okay, you can just draw whatever curve you like. I mean, this is not great, I probably would have drawn it a different way. But again, that's it. So now here, solve JSC, run, show external walls, you can see it clean, and also select and validate valid model. Done. Thank you for watching, and let us know if you have any questions. As usual, the best place is Pollination Discourse. Google it. Google should show it to you. Thanks. Bye.